Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek Kale and today's video topic name is constructor in Java. So I will explain what is constructor and its types, okay, and in details. So the first point is that what is constructor? So constructor it is used to initialize the object, okay. So for object initialization we use the constructor, okay. So and constructor has no return type. There is no return type to constructor, okay. Okay, and there we can use access modifiers before the before the constructor, okay. So we if we use public access modifier, then the constructor is available in everywhere, okay. So we can also use private, we can also use protected, so also we can use default, okay. So during constructor generation or during constructor calling, if we didn't take any access modifier, then it will be default by default, okay. So and uh, this is called as the constructor, okay. So there are two types. First one is the default constructor and another one is the parameterized constructor, okay. Default constructor, it is a constructor if we it is a constructor, it is by default available, okay. So if user is forgotten to write or generate the constructor, then the default constructor will be applied, okay. And this default constructor initialize the initialize the instance variables by their null values, okay. So if the int variable, then it will give the its int value which is 0, okay. If there is a string, then it will give the null, which is the null value of the string object, okay. Okay, and string variable. So so the another one is the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor, it is a constructor in which we can pass the parameters or we can pass the arguments, okay. So if we pass arguments to the constructor, then it is called as the parameterized constructor, okay. So by using parameterized constructor, we can pass the value to instance of the class, and then we use it multiple times, okay. So these are the two types of constructor, okay. Also we can say default constructor as non-parameterized constructor, okay. So there are two keywords used in the constructor. First one is this keyword and another one is the uh, super keyword, okay. So this keyword is used to refer the current class object, okay. And the this keyword is used for the child class, and the super keyword is used for the parent class, and the super keyword is uh, super keyword refers to the parent class instance object, okay. So these are the and the this keyword we can pass the this keyword as an argument in the method, or in the also we can pass the this keyword in the constructor, okay. And also this keyword we can pass the in the as an argument in the method call, and also this keyword is we can pass by in the constructor call, okay. So the so this is about the this keyword, and the remaining one is the second one is the super keyword. Super keyword is used to refers to the parent class object, okay. And the we can pass the super keyword as an argument in the method. Also we can pass the super keyword as an argument in the constructor, okay. We can pass the argument super keyword as an argument in the constructor call and the method call, okay. So these two keywords are used in the constructor, okay. So the question is the next point is that the question is that we can copy constructor. Yes, we can copy the constructor. For that we have to in constructor, let's say suppose constructor class. In that class we have to initialize, we have to declare that there are three instance variable. Then we have to create a constructor which is parameterized and another constructor is the another constructor is a copy constructor, okay. If we pass the arguments to the constructor, then and this constructor is passed uh, as a argument in the copy constructor. In this way we can copy constructor. Okay, yes. And the second point is that the question, another question is that we can constructor overload. Yes, we can overload the constructor. Okay, for that we have to create create or generate one constructor in that in which we can pass the arguments, and in that same class if we create default constructor, then then there is a constructor overloading. Okay, so this is about the constructor. And thank you so much.